I'm Michelle from Legal Suite, and this is part 4 of completing the Docgen database for a conventional or township development matter. Right, so standing on the matter on our list of matters, we go into the Docgen database and we are going to be dealing with existing bonds over the parent property. So we click on the tab, and in the screen we can list all the existing bonds that are currently active over the parent property. Okay, obviously these the various urban that are created in the township register would then need to be released from the workings of these bonds. So let's click on the insert button and we can then add various details of the bondholder and details of the bond. Now again, please don't forget our lookup libraries here. Control up arrow will take you into the lookup library and you can fill this with all the various banks, their registration numbers and so on and so forth. Alternatively, you can type it in. Okay. Again, I do love my lookup library. So at the registration number, control up arrow, there is the registration number for Absa Bank. At the signatories, if you are on on the bank's panel, you will have signatories in your office who are duly authorized to sign on behalf of the bank. That is the case here. So I'm going to go control up arrow, and there are my signatories. I can simply say select, and let's just pop a little space in there. And you would also need to set out how these signatories are duly authorized, generally by means of power of attorney granted to them by the bank. So control up arrow, and again I have set out the details of my power of attorney, so I just need to select it. The bond number, this would obviously be a B number because this is a conventional bond, so we can pop in the bond number there. And at the bond amount, this would be the capital amount of our bond, and at additional amount, the additional amount which we would take either from a deeds office search or from a holding copy of the bonds that are registered. Right, we say OK, and our first bond is added. And you would simply keep inserting until such time as you've captured all the existing bonds over the property.